So over here you can see that I have a form, and one of the things that you can do is add in YouTube videos and attach it to your form questions as well. So to do that, whenever you actually click on the form title or question, you can see that add video is an option. Let me just go around over here and click on add video, and over here what you can do is you can search out for videos on YouTube, or you can go around onto the URL section and paste any YouTube URL that you want to. So I'm just going to go to the YouTube search right here and type in YouTube, let's say for example Google Docs right here, and hit the search button. So once I do that, you can see that the videos pop up right here. So let me just select this and click on select, and what happens is that the video will be inserted out over here, as you can see, as a card. So I can go around and let's say something like reference video, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that I also have option to actually align the video right here to left, to center right here, or on the right here, and you can also go around and change the video right here and replace it out with other video if you want to, by searching and by pressing select as well. So this is what you have, and you can even remove it out. And one of the things that you can do is on the card, you can click on a video right here. You can select out a video, and then you can see that after that particular card, the video will be added as well. And you can add in a title to the video as well. So that is how you can add in YouTube videos inside of your Google Forms as a reference. And then if you were to preview this, then you will be able to see the reference video just like this, as you can see, and you can see that they can be interacted upon with. So that is how you can add in YouTube videos inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.